Hello everyone, I have got something exciting to share with you. The newly launched standalone villa community by Meraas, the Acres. Location is the key and Meraas understands that well. The Acres is located right next to Arabian Ranches 1 and 5 minutes drive from Dubai Hills Mall. The Acres offers 3 to 5 bedroom villas and each villa is designed for a seamless indoor and outdoor experiences. Imagine waking up to the green beef and enjoying your morning coffee by park and having all the amenities at your doorstep. That's the life at Acres.